Everyone, welcome to The Sound of Art, a concert jointly organized by the Leisure and Cultural Services Department, LCSD, and Friends of Hong Kong Museum of Art. My name is Elvis, your MC from the Pacific Cello Orchestra. Today I'm truly honored to present to you all a concert featuring music for a cello ensemble. 大家好啊！歡迎嚟到由康樂及文化事務署同香港藝術館之友聯合主辦嘅藝韻樂音樂會。我係嚟自 Pacific Cello Orchestra 嘅司儀 Elvis。今日非常之榮幸能夠為各位觀眾帶嚟大提琴樂團嘅音樂。成立於2018年 ，PCO 係一個為18歲以下高水平大提琴手而設嘅夏季音樂會嘅項目嚟㗎，旨在分享音樂嘅純粹樂趣，並為佢哋提供專業同嚴謹嘅訓練，從而認識同感受專業音樂家應有嘅態度同埋紀律。約有25位嘅青年大提琴手會組成一支全大提琴樂團，學習同埋體驗喺樂團裏邊演奏唔同嘅聲部所扮演嘅角色，以及如何喺音樂表達當中發揮唔同嘅功能同作用。1年15日嘅夏令營將為各位大提琴手提供專業同嚴謹嘅培訓。演奏包括住著名嘅作曲家專門為 PCO 編寫嘅樂曲，專為大提琴重奏而寫嘅作品，以及香港作曲家為 PCO 創作嘅委約作品。Founded in 2018, the PCO is a summer music program designed for high-level young cellists under the age of 18. Its aim is to share the pure joy of music and to provide professional and rigorous training so that these young musicians can learn and experience the attitude and discipline expected of a professional performer. This 15-day summer camp will provide professional and rigorous training. The repertoires include pieces specially written for PCO by well-known composers, works written specifically for cello chamber ensembles, as well as commissioned works created by Hong Kong composers for the PCO。PCO 今年已經係第9屆㗎啦，喺過往幾年裏邊PCO 曾經喺大館、香港演藝學院、亞洲協會香港中心、澳門江景劇院、廣東中山文化中心等場所演出，當然啦，亦都唔少得呢度咁靚嘅香港藝術館。呢啲嘅年輕大提琴手以佢哋非凡嘅專注力、對音樂無比嘅熱誠同卓越嘅音樂表現激發觀眾對年輕樂手嘅欣賞同對音樂嘅另一番體會。接住落嚟我哋將能夠欣賞到由 PCO 演奏嘅一系列精彩嘅大提琴合奏樂曲。首先為大家帶嚟嘅係巴克嘅經典作品G 大調嘅第1號大提琴無伴奏組曲裏面嘅 Prelude 同 G。巴克嘅 G 大調第1號大提琴無伴奏組曲係大提琴曲目當中嘅聖經嚟嘅喎。今次由大提琴樂團重奏呈獻就將會為大家帶嚟咗前奏曲呢一個流暢線條同吉格舞曲嘅歡快節奏帶嚟更豐富、更有層次嘅體驗啊！接住落嚟嘅曲目亦都係非常之特別㗎，就係由日本新世代嘅鋼琴家同埋作曲家Hayato Sumino 嘅作品《Sumino After Dawn》，由張希文改編嘅樂曲充滿住現代感同唯美嘅光影色彩，帶大家體驗一下黎明初升、微光閃爍嘅意境啊！The first piece is Bach's classic work Prelude in G from Cello Suite No. 1 in G major, and follows Sumino After Dawn, composed by Japanese pianist and composer Hayato Sumino and arranged by Heyman Chung。好事不宜遲，我哋立即有請 PCO 同我哋嘅指揮 ，Please welcome PCO and our conductor Dr. Letty Poon。